Hello friends! Welcome to Upmetrics AI. In this video, I walk you through the steps of creating a comprehensive coffee shop business plan. We will begin by defining a business profile of our coffee shop business and providing essential details so that our AI will learn more about our business idea. Then, we will ask our AI to draft a business plan for us based on the information that we just provided. After we have drafted a plan, I will guide you how you can customize and give a personalized touch to your business plan. Let's jump right in. We will start by creating a new workspace. You may call it a project or a business profile. We call this workspace a brew corner. Here you need to provide a basics about your business idea. Like I, John Doe, along with my partner, I am planning to open a cozy coffee shop called Brew Corner, located in the heart of downtown Austin, Texas, etc. So this is how you can write a brief about your business idea that you are going to start. We will ask AI to suggest some taglines for our business. Let's choose "Where every cup tells a story." Now here you need to select an industry. It's food, beverage and restaurant. Our company is in yet idea stage. We haven't yet started an operation, so we are selecting it no. Now country and currency selections. Our business is yet bootstrapped. We are looking for some, let's say, $40,000 of bank loan. The purpose of our business plan is to seek an investment. Now in this step, here it will generate some questions about our business idea that we need to answer. Questions are like, what product and services you are going to sell? What is your marketing plan? What is your value proposition? What is your target audience? Etc. These are similar questions that your business consultant will ask you when you're going to ask for a business plan to your business consultant. Now, it has generated like 15 questions for us. First, what is the core mission of your business and how does it align with your personal values? We are going to use AI-generated answers here, but you can always customize these answers and you can write your own answers over here. This is a fully customizable and editable field, but we are going with AI-generated answers to quickly move forward. Now you can invite your colleague or the team member together to a business planning for your business idea. Now, once we have provided all the essential details, all the brief about our business idea, now we will ask AI to generate a business plan for us. Okay, now it is drafting a business plan for us. While it drafts a business plan, let me show you. This is our business plan builder. Just the left section. This includes a set of templates that you can quickly drag and drop into your business plan. On the right side, this shows a business plan outline. So it has generated the content for our business plan. You can read this as the executive summary that it has written for us. A Brew Corner is a proposed cozy coffee shop located in the heart of downtown Austin, Texas. Our core mission is to create a welcoming space that fosters community and connection through high-quality, sustainable coffee and art and pastries. You can even use our AI assistants to auto-write to auto-improve, shorten this content, expand, and give a personal, persuasive, or professional tone to your content. You can review each and every section, you can read the content, and you can give your personalized touch to this content. You can add or you can modify it through this content editor. Even you can embed the sections from here. Let's say this is the market size section. You can do market research, and you can have actual figures over here to create an actual market size for your business idea. Now, let's say you want to do a SWOT analysis for your business. You can simply drag and drop over here. You can write a prompt here like, I'm writing a SWOT analysis for my business. Please write a strength section in a very brief and listicle way for my business. Simply auto-write this section. Use this content to populate your SWOT analysis section. You don't have to worry about designing any content or your business plan. Upmetrics will take care of all the designing and the aesthetic work. Even this template will guide you on what section and how you can write the content. When you are stuck in between, here, I am going to introduce all the AI agents such as plan analysts, market research analysts, financial analysts, and compliance analysts. Let's say this is the compliance analyst. So I'm asking you what regulation standard applies to my business. So this will guide you like, what are some compliances that we need to take care of around food safety and regulations for the coffee shop? You can also even explore more based on the links it will provide. Now let's navigate to the financial plan. Here in the financial plan, you can see all the figures are yet empty because we yet need to set up the financial plan. This is to set up a financial forecasting tool. First forecast start date. It's January 2024. We are setting up this plan for the next 3 years. Our financial year starts in January. Now confirm these details. OK. So this is the setting up of our financial module is done. Now we are going to add various financial details like revenue, cost of sales, expenses, personnel's funding assets, and other details like dividends, etc. You can even create the revenue stream manually. Let's say we are going to be selling coffee, tea, and pastries, and this is the service business. We are expecting 1,000 customers a month, and each would spend approximately $40 per customer. And there we will do some marketing and sales based on our growth. There would be some monthly growth rate. So first month we will make some $40,000, and then the next month would be some sub $40,800 of the revenue forecast. So this has calculated our revenue forecast. Now cost of sales. We need to add the cost of sales. Let's say 20% of our revenue goes to this cost of sales. Now operating expenses. We can even ask AI to suggest some operating expenses around the coffee shop business. It has suggested electricity, water, gas, and rent. Monthly rent. OK. And the electricity. So let's say electricity would be monthly, around $300. We are going to rent a property. So there would be something around $1,500. $1 of a monthly rental. Our revenue, we are not going to sell immediately. Our selling would start after a few months. because the initial set of months will be used to set up a property, like to set up a shop, to do furniture, to establish machinery. For the coffee shop, we are asking here to suggest some personal expenses. It has suggested baristas and a general manager. General manager expenses would be $4,000 per month and 10% of annual raises. Baristas would be approximately $3,000 and 10% of annual raises. Now we are seeking a bank loan. Something around $40,000. The tenure would be 24 months. The interest rate would be 12%. So this comes to the interest on the loan for $400 in January. Then $385 in February. Now to add assets. We need to purchase some machinery like coffee, machine furniture and some renovations. So this would be, let's say, a long-term asset. For this machineries, we are spending some $25,000 of assets. This would have 50% of the salvage value. Now we have added all the essential financial details. Now you can see the data flowing into our dashboard and the reports. It has calculated all three reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow and dashboard is ready with all the funding requirements. First year, we will need something around $49,097 of funding that we need to acquire in order to start our business. We will be profitable by September 2024. We are going to start selling from June 2024. And after June, we are getting profitable from September 2024. So this is the break-even report. Now you can see all this financial data in your business plan. All these details were it was zero previously. Now you can see all the figures were calculated automatically. It pulls the data from your financial module. Now, if you want to embed some financial charts, like, let's say if you want to have a break-even chart into your business plan, simply drag and drop. All these financial reports and charts are calculated over here. Simply drag and drop. We don't have to worry about all these calculations. Now your business plan is ready with all the contents, all the financial calculations. Customize its cover page. We have the various cover page options over here. You can even customize the color scheme and the cover page format. You can download it as in PDF or the doc format, however you want. You can even publish it online. Now we just created a business plan for your coffee shop business. Remember, this is just a blueprint for your foundation. With Upmetrics, you can refine your forecasts, tailor your strategies, and adapt your plan to meet the demands of your target market. Try Upmetrics to create your business plan today. Join us in our next video for more such business planning tips and strategies for your coffee shop business startup. Till now, thank you. Goodbye.